Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight, the Australian dollar faced downward pressure but found support near the 65.80 level, and from there, looking at the base seen at 65.45, does expect to see bullish defence if contested. Reason behind that is technically the market still remains relatively bullish from the MACD and the RSI. The whipsaw price action came after the latest report from the US Labour Department, which showed that the Consumer Price Index, or the CPI, increased by 0.4% last month, higher than the January's 0.3% rise. Overall, the past 12 months, the CPI rose by 3.2%, exceeding the previous month of 3.1% rate. January's inflation data has raised concerns about potential interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Despite February's similar strength, investors are still hopeful for a rate cut later this year, with June being the anticipated time frame. While the base holds for the Australian dollar, I still feel further topside tests will be seen, and clearing the level of the 60-day simple moving average around 66.30, then we could see a further rise on towards 67 cents. The euro was also a little bit mixed, posted a long-legged doji as previously seen the day before. And from there, the support still holds at 108.70. I do feel the market is expected to bounce and therefore look towards the top side around 110.15 to 65, as the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, is still somewhat weak as it trades around 103.80.85. The dollar yen found support after 3 consecutive challenges at that key level of 146.35.45, bounced and challenged the top side around 148.15 but rejected. With resistance seen around that 148 figure 15 area, could see another down test, and still keep an eye on this 146.35.45 as a break would open the way towards 145.25. With yen strength still anticipated and dollar weakness, I feel little, or at least beyond 148.15 to be contained. Sterling a little bit whipsaw but finding support and rebounded from the level around 127.70. If we do see a bounce further due to the technical still in bullish territory, then the market should eventually reach its objective of 129.25.35. Gold staged a significant downturn overnight after tumbled all the way towards the region, now looking around 2,150, or even where the market is expected to hold around 2,144 to 46. Now, keeping an eye on these technicals though, there's no trend at the moment, and the RSI is holding above the midway point. So unless we see a break of the downside anywhere from 2,144 to 6, could see another up test towards 2,184 to 88 to 2,200. Oil was a little bit mixed, but still holding above that key area of $76 a barrel. While intact, I still feel further up tests and may see the challenge towards 79.50 area and reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoyed the great start to the day.